हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बिजनेस 24 में। आई एम कृमल हरिया और आज हमारे साथ हम जिसकी बात करने जा रहे हैं इसे हम रिस्क हीरो कह सकते हैं। मैं इंट्रोडक्शन इसीलिए इस तरह से दे रही हूँ क्योंकि पिछले 2 डेकेड से इन्होंने अपना पूरा करियर रिस्क मैनेजमेंट के थ्रू ही दिया हुआ है। सर, आई वेलकम यू टू द बिजनेस 24।
थैंक यू।
हम जिस तरह से आपका सेशन हमने देखा और हम जिस तरह से बात कर रहे थे, आई विल स्टार्ट माई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर दैट ओनली कि इंटरनेशनल मार्केट राइट नाउ इज़ अ वेरी ह्यूज रिस्क। ओके, जिस तरह से हम हमारे इंडियन मार्केट को देख रहे हैं, completely US markets, Taiwan markets, every markets are really very effective. Okay, आज की डेट में अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट की, सो इज़ इट अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इन्वेस्ट इन राइट नाउ एज वी हैव सीन कोविड एरा जो हमारा जिस तरह से गया है। पीपल वर वेरी disturbed, people were very in a high risk valued, you can say, but touch wood, as you said, ki someone who have take risk, they are lucky. So what do you suggest?
So what happens is that you have to look at the international market right now. If it has given a substantial return of 20-30% at this point in time, that opportunity has already gone.
Correct.
So the idea is that, as you said, that in COVID when the market had tanked so much, that is where your value really begins. You know, so my suggestion would be that if you are investing in an international market, you understand where it is currently at this moment, how much return it has given, what kind of composition their index has, what impacts their economy and the index, and then you invest in those markets. But the point being that if it has rallied so much, do you really want to invest for a short-term period? You want to invest for a long-term period? So that is more important for you to answer as well. And how liquid the market is. Tomorrow if you want to redeem that money, is it so simple to redeem that money or not? That is also important. तो अगर आपको पैसा चाहिए और आपको पैसा मिल ही नहीं रहा है तो इन्वेस्ट करके आप क्या करोगे?
Correct. So this is the main thing what everyone is about to say for the risk कि कोई मतलब ही नहीं है अगर हम पैसा यूज ही ना कर पाए तो। करेक्ट सर, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सम लिटिल फ्यूचर कि हमने अब तक इंडियन मार्केट को जिस तरह से ग्रो होते हुए देखा, इट इज़ वेरी अमेजिंग। कंप्लीटली इंडियन इकोनॉमी राइट नाउ हम बोल सकते हैं कि इज ऑन अ फायर लेवल, राइट? So according to the future, what you are thinking कि what Indian economy will boost, including the markets, also the person who is doing the, as we have seen, a lot of people are going into the startup things. They are involving with the government because government has a lot of little schemes which covers our things. So what do you see that?
So if you see, as I said in my interview as well, market in 2006 the Nifty 50 was below 2000.
Correct.
2000 का 4000 हुआ, 4000 का 8000 हुआ। अब आपको वो टाइम पे भी अगर मार्केट एकदम ओवर वैल्यूड लग रहा था तो आप पैसा नहीं बनाओगे। पर अगर आप 20 साल बाद, जो आज 2026 है, द मार्केट इज़ अराउंड 23,000. So from below 2000 to 23,000 is a huge journey. And people have made money if you are able to digest all the drawdowns. कोविड आया, सब प्राइम क्राइसिस आया, यूक्रेन वॉर आया, so there are many things which have happened, but the market has sustained all those things and yet they have grown. So the market is going to grow whether we like it or not. India is on a spectrum where investments are coming into our country, infrastructure is booming, and the disposable income that people have, आज अगर आप देखें तो only 9.5% of the household have invested in the market.
Correct.
What is our population and what is 9.5% of that? If at 9.5% we are at 23,000, imagine what we will be when the participation is 15%. And I'm just saying 15, not even 50%.
Yes.
So
just 1/5.
Just 1/5. So you imagine the growth that people will have. And if you imagine today also, the younger generation, they have started earning at the age of 20, 21, 22. They have almost 3 to 4 decades to earn. And they are not going to just splash their money on holidays or something or gadgets or something. There will be investments. Startups भी अगर आप देखें तो startups भी invest करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि पूरा पैसा उसी में जाता है. Investment तो सबको करना पड़ता है. At an individual level, at a company level. So investments will come. India is on a growing part and I hope things just improve from here.
अब हमने आपके सेशन में ये भी बात जानी what AI works with our markets, how it works, how it goes with us. My second question comes here from is that कि आजकल जितने brokerage houses हैं, हमने देखा है बहुत सारे जो काफ़ी uses करते हैं AI का. Also they use a lot of for their knowledge also. But my question is that कि कितनी ऐसी वेबसाइट्स हैं, कितने ऐसे एप्लीकेशंस हैं AI थ्रू रन करने हुए जो आपको डायरेक्ट क्रिप्टो में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए सजेस्ट करते हैं, जो आपको ये बोलते हैं कि आज आपने क्रिप्टो में इतना इन्वेस्ट किया है तो कल आपको इतना % आपका प्रॉफिट मिलेगा बाय द टाइम मार्केट आर क्लोजिंग और बाय द टाइम मार्केट आर ओपनिंग, व्हाटएवर इट इज. सो हाउ दिस विल चेंज एंड दिस विल इफेक्ट ऑन ह्यूमन एज अ इन्वेस्टर?
So as I said, 80% of investment is emotional. So the point being कि अगर आपको कोई बोलता है आपको कल उठ के 20% रिटर्न मिल जाएगा, should stay away from that. आप इमेजिन करिए कि आपको अगर ऋतिक रोशन जैसी बॉडी चाहिए तो आप एक दिन जिम नहीं जा सकते, आपको ओवर अ टाइम जाना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो अगर आपको कोई आके कल बोल देता है कि आपको इतना मिलेगा, आई पर्सनली वुड स्टे अवे फ्रॉम इट. डू योर ओन रिसर्च, डू योर ओन स्टडी. देखिए AI क्या करता है, वो 4-5 जगह से सब इन्फॉर्मेशन लेके आपको एक सिनॉप्सिस बना के देता है, ट्रेंड बताता है आपको, पर कल उठ के वही होगा कि वो सही है कि नहीं वो आपको पता नहीं है. सो इवेंचुअली अगेन इट ऑल डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर रिस्क एपेटाइट. इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स अपॉन हाउ इमोशनल यू आर इन टेकिंग दैट प्लंज. If you want to make quick money, then it's up to you. But please look at the risk which come around with it. Please understand what taxation would come around with it, and what repercussions will come around it when you invest in such instruments.
Right, correct. Further going on this, I have one more question कि अगर हम आजकल के इन बच्चों की बात करते हैं जो परस्यू करना चाहते हैं कुछ, they wanted to run some good. उनके लिए आपका क्या मैसेज होगा?
मैसेज यही है कि आप स्टार्ट अर्ली कीजिए पहले तो. अगर आपको अपना पैसा को काम करवाना है और आपको नहीं करना है तो आपको अर्ली स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि जैसे मैंने बताया अगर आप 20 साल तक या 30 साल तक इन्वेस्ट करते हैं एट अ कंपाउंडिंग रेट ऑफ ओनली 12%, यू कैन मेक अ लॉट ऑफ मनी इफ़ यू आर जस्ट इन्वेस्टिंग 5,000 rupees per month. So start early, understand what taxation structures you will fall into, increase your investments as is when your profits increase or your salary increases, and you will let your money work more than what you are working, so once your money starts working more, then you find the fruits of it in your some other time.
Correct.
You can fund your education, you can fund your holidays, your marriage, your higher studies, whatever it is. Start early, keep a track of your expenses and income, understand what inflation does to your money. So all those things when you keep in mind and then you start investing in it, it will just help you in the future.
I also wanted to ask you sir one thing कि हम अगर आने वाले एक और डेकेड की बात करते हैं, what is the biggest threat you can say, और what is the biggest issue Indian market के सामने आता हुआ दिख रहा है जो अब तक जितने इन्वेस्टर्स हैं वो नहीं देख पा रहे हैं?
ऑनेस्टली वो तो मैं भी नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ अभी, क्योंकि जैसा मैं देख रहा हूँ, वी हैव अ स्टेबल गवर्नमेंट, वी हैव अ स्टेबल रेगुलेटर who is very plays always on the front foot. They try to understand where the risks are and try to cover all those things. So in my view, the important thing to understand is that if everything remains the same, then we are in a good position. But uncertainty can come from anywhere, so we have 2-3 wars going on right now. Can we have a war? You never know. So anything can happen. But we cannot foresee for a longer period of time कि आज से 5 साल बाद क्या होगा, क्योंकि हमको ये भी नहीं मालूम कल क्या होगा.
Correct.
So it's important to understand that part.
Correct. My last comes from your answer only. आपने जैसे बोला कि अभी तक आप भी नहीं देख पा रहे हैं कि क्या थ्रेट दिख रहा है या what level of they are looking at. But my question is that कि अगर सब जैसे आपने कहा कि stabilized government है and everything is good. So what is the best sectors we can say, or where is the best shares you can say, but of course you cannot share the shares, but the sector or which area people should invest?
I would not be able to even mention about sectors or stock specific thing, but all I would say is that you invest in areas which you understand.
Okay.
You know, it is something which you know of, something where you know what risk lies over there. Invest in those areas. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to give you those details, but as I said, you know, understand where you're putting your money. I'm sure you will be in good stead.
So basically, you are telling take risk and go with the flow.
So my point is, if you don't take risk, you are not going to progress. Risk is a price tag on opportunity. So if you stay home, you don't do anything, you're just going to stay there where the entire world will go ahead.
Right.
So you have to take risk.
So you have to take risk, and without taking risk.
Absolutely. There is no way you cannot avoid risk. If you have to grow, you have aspirations. अगर आपको बाहर भी जाना है तो आपको बाहर घर के बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा, राइट? तो अगर आप वो नहीं करना चाहते तो आप रहिए घर पे और कुछ नहीं होगा.
Exactly. So that's all. Like what Risk Hero is saying: take risk, go with the flow, and if you want to grow, then
So
just.
my
take
suggestion is take calculated risk rather than just taking unknowing risk.
Correct. Then take calculated risk. Thank you, Maulik sir. Thank you for joining us, and thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.